The XTRONS PB76AA3AP offers an experience unlike any other on a car stereo unlike any other. Android 6.0 Marshmallow is the most advanced, intelligent, and fastest operating system in the car stereo market. Smooth the user interface for complex, visually rich applications. Support for 64-bit games and apps like Chrome and Gmail. The Octa-core 64-bit is a new generation of high-end processors. Its 8-core configuration allows for ultra-fast running speeds with a smooth and efficient multitasking ability, satisfying even the most tech-savvy users. 10 seconds faster to power on compared to the quad-core system. The onboard 32GB ROM with 2GB RAM allows you to download your favorite apps such as navigation, games, videos, and much more, and use them simultaneously. Supports various Android navigation software including IGO8, Google, and more. Screen mirroring takes the things you want to do with your smartphone while driving and puts them right on the 7-inch HD screen. You can read messages, watch videos, play exciting games, and listen to music, all in a way that allows you to stay focused on the road. Just connect your phone and go. With TPMS, you can monitor and receive tyre pressure and tyre temperature information transmitted in real time to the unit's display. A TPMS receiver kit is required, which can be purchased separately. With built-in Wi-Fi, this unit has faster LTE download speeds and also accepts a 3G or 4G dongle. Connect your mobile phone or stream music via the built-in Bluetooth 4.0. Make and receive hands-free calls, access your phone book, call logs, search contacts information, and listen to your favorite music. Enjoy DAB radio in your car. Just connect the XTRONS USB DAB radio receiver stick via USB port. Car information such as brakes, fuel, air conditioning display, door information, parking sensors, and many more are displayed by this head unit using the CAN bus interface. Take control of the music safely and concentrate on the road ahead. This unit can work with analog steering wheel controls.